welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today's July 1st and today's Canada's Day in here. So we are going to Southside Park, Ontario in Woodstock, and we're going to celebrate with all the Canadians out there. And there's Mom. Say hi, Mom. Hi. So we're gonna take our drinks, like water, our chairs, and our mat so that we could sit down, watch the fireworks, and eat so much Canadian street food. I don't know why I'm talking like this, guys, but I don't know if I'm excited or not.
Hello.
Okay. Say hi. Okay guys, so this is our second time going to Southside Park to celebrate Canada's Day. We went before last year to celebrate it, and now this is our second time and the last time because we will be leaving Canada soon. So we're gonna go there, book a place to set our things, and then we will stroll around the area. Minnesota pop. Guys, I've been obsessed with K-pop characters. Personally, love you, pretty. Hustle, come, give me. Accuse this, just kidding. She said that she's scared because there's 8 boys from her class. Yeah, wait, what grade are you right now?
I'm in grade 5. I'm going to grade 5.
You're scared of grade 5 boys?
Well, duh. It's awkward. Now hide me.
Guys, so we just got a place to stay at.
That's right.
Ask me some questions. The beauty.
Let me tell you a story, guys. So my teacher was so happy, and I was like, what? And she said, because I saw Momo, like Mohammed, we call him Momo because he's fat, and like, yeah. She saw him running, and the teacher was like, why is he running? I never seen him run. And she realized he was running to get pizza from his classroom.
You're too close. So now we're about to take a photo booth shot. Why are you judging me? That's like this. Is it? I would just
It's so easy to read that stuff.
Guys, Mom is so short.
Wow, I'm sorry. What's the problem with you?
Okay guys, so we're gonna do a picture without the prompts. Someone should wear this. Giving the vibe. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cute? How much is that? 25. Jewelry. Yeah,
so it's like a Tuesday to Friday 3 to 7 and Saturday 10 to 1, and this one is like you're going to do worksheet almost every day, like a month. If I calculate in a month, you are literally doing work every day.
and then you get a certificate.
Yeah, it's like actually this one is from preschool to high school. This will really help you with your high school math.
Yeah, because I heard my friends doing this too.
Yeah.
So, I have a 90 in math.
I'm an A- in math.
This is so cute. cute, right? Oh, look at this. Guys, Leo's got me like that.
Do you want me to carry it?
Wait, can I actually have cotton candy?
You want a cotton candy?
Wait,
Yeah.
candy apple or cotton candy? Wait, let it go. Touch it, let it go. Let it go. I'm going to candy apple.
Okay, we'll have one candy apple.
Candy apple. All right. Okay.
Do you guys accept cards?
You should have done caramel.
I don't like caramel.
All right.
That's everything?
Yeah, that's it.
There you go, kiddo.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
I had a candy apple once and it tasted horrible.
Thank you. All right, taste test.
That is so sweet.
Okay, these are so good. Oh, I love this.
No, I like the other one.
No, I like this.
Take debit.
Wait, let's.
Try this one. Look how cute it looks.
Does that go? For a popsicle.
Yeah, but I don't mean like a popsicle. I mean like whatever you guys are getting.
No. Okay, do you want to give this to mom and dad? And share this?
I want to share mine.
I don't want to share mine.
Never mind, I want a popsicle.
Stay here. We're gonna go and give this to our parents. Sunday.
Nice.
Hey guys, that is the menu right there. I hope you know funnel cake is a lot. I know. That's why I love it. The regular cookies and creams and the deep fried Oreos.
Be 24. Are you trying to deep fry cars?
Hey guys, so my dream was to open an ice cream truck.
After this, let's get fries. Can we get poutine after this? Can we get poutine after this?
Not right after.
Thank you.
Deep fried Oreos? Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you. We got it, guys. This is like the first time I'm gonna try deep fried Oreos.
I don't know what
Last time
this is.
trying deep fried Oreos. It's hot. You're so. Why is it so hot?
Sometimes the rain is not raining.
The Oreo is soggy
Stop watching me.
and it's warm. So, don't spill it. Go shot. Go shot.
Another day, another. Finish the lyrics. Another day, another.
Oh my god, you need tissue.
Oh,
You.
mommy.
Oh, I'm done.
Okay. Finish the lyrics. Another day.
Another sleigh, bro. Another lay.
You guys got it wrong. It's another day, another sleigh. Period.
Come on, throw it. Give me the water. Okay, guys, so we just got
Wanna go to the
food.
water?
We got all
wanna go to the
junk
water?
food, obviously. Got fried Oreos, funnel cake, ice cream, and then my mom and dad are out to get food. So yeah, guys, basically this is it. This is Canada's festival, I guess. People sit around, they get their chairs, their mat, and they just stay here until the fireworks. Pull the Oh,
Fun, but you need to wear shoes because I wear these, and I went halfway there, and then I came down because it was too big. I'm not gonna climb the rock. I'm gonna go to the fun house. Have to force her.
Why are you not doing it?
You're really annoying.
100 years later, we're still waiting on the line, guys. Your thoughts? I got a chicken taco. You get 3 tacos in there, and I got a vegetarian taco.
But I want tacos.
Go, Carcel! Go, go, go! Hold on. Yeah, let's go, go, go. No, do it. Did, but I was like, no, Carcel.
I did the rock climbing, and it was way too hard to get up.
You wanna go to the fun house?
Winner gets to win.
Winner gets to win.
That's so freaking stupid. A winner gets to win. A winner gets to buy whatever they want. Yes. Okay. Haha, I'm gonna win. Thanks.
What the frick? Wait.
Where's Zoya?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
I literally went on every freaking wall. I was like, literally.
Carcel, what did you get?
I got a blue raspberry lemonade. Dude, I'm gonna be hyper, but first I gotta get rid of this and go.
You're thirsty? I'm thirsty too.
I'm not sharing.
Please, just one sip.
Fool. Because I'm such a good
thank
sipper.
you.
10 out of 10.
Ooh, interesting. So Karma's eating her chicken taco. My mom and dad are chilling with the music. Okay guys, so it's 9:40 and now the fireworks are about to happen.
We have quite the fireworks show in short minutes, so get settled. The sky will ignite in about 5 minutes.
9 minutes? I don't know if you guys can see me. It's dark outside. We're waiting for the fireworks. So yeah, I think this is it. Happy Canada Day. But yeah, we're eating poutine right now. Carson, can you give me some? Woo! Wow.
Where did that one come
Ooh.
4, 5,
Come on, do it.
6, 7, 8,
Let's go.
9,
10.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
What the
15,
heck?
16.
Out of 10. Awesome. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. It was so fun. Today's Canada's Day and we had a lot of food, we had a lot of fun. It was so crowded. There was live music. Edit me out. Why? I was here and here. No? Please like and subscribe and comment down below guys of how you guys thought our video was. And happy Canada Day to all of you guys, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Well, see you in the next one.
Push it.